MeisterTask is a user-friendly task and project management tool designed to enhance productivity and collaboration. Here's how to get started. Setting up a project. Create a project. Log into MeisterTask and click Create Project. Assign it a name, color, and optional icon for easy identification. Customize workflow. Use MeisterTask's Kanban boards to design a workflow. Columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done help track progress. Adding tasks. Create tasks. Click the plus icon in a column to add the task. Assign a title, description, due date, and priority. Assign tasks. Add team members to your project and assign tasks to individuals for clear accountability. Collaboration features. Comments and attachments. Communicate directly within tasks by leaving comments or attaching relevant files. Notifications. Stay updated with real-time notifications about task changes or comments. Automation and integrations. Use automation tools like status triggers to reduce manual effort. Integrate with tools like Google Drive, Slack, or GitHub to streamline workflows. Tracking progress. Use the dashboard to view progress, track tasks, and identify bottlenecks.